In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open a Revolut account in Germany. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Revolut is officially supported in Germany, and you will be able to open an account to make payments on your own region, country of residence, or you can make it to other countries or currencies. So all that you have to do is visit the official Revolut website and you will be able to download the app. So tap on Get the App and this will automatically redirect you into the Play Store if you are using an Android device or the App Store if you are using an iOS device. And this will allow you to download the latest version of the Revolut mobile app. Once you have the app, open it up and you will be able to browse through all of the features, ready to change the way that you money, easy to pay at home and away, send near, far, and so on. You can browse through all of these animations if you would like to see all of the features available, or just tap on sign up at the bottom right corner of the screen. The first thing that you will see upon tapping sign up is the option to pick a phone number. So go ahead and look for Germany. You will be able to enter your phone number here to start this process. Now, because this process contains a lot of personal information, it is not appropriate to be shared in full on places such as YouTube. You will be able to get this process done by including these details and following the on-screen instructions. So, once you enter the phone number, you will have to confirm by receiving a text code and then proceeding. The first thing that they will ask is for a country of residence, so include your address as needed and so on, your full name, a Revolut tag, date of birth, the address, if needed once again, your full home address, an email address, and a selfie. Once you verify all of these details and you show them a picture of your face, you will be able to add contacts if needed and choose from any of the plans available in Revolut. So you can choose the standard free plan and this will allow you to set up a card, make transfers, use crypto, and so on, and all that you have to do is verify these details. Once again, I apologize for not being able to show you this process in full, but you will be able to do it on your own time by following the on-screen instructions. I hope I was able to help you on how to open a Revolut account in Germany. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.